Is doing paid ads on Instagram worth it to get more clients? And what is a reasonable money to spend? People that are having a hard time getting booked out and stuff, sometimes it's hard to figure out what you could do online to like get it going, right? Paid ads on Instagram, they do work kind of if you know how to target your ads really well. But even more so than Instagram, especially for the money that you're gonna spend, I'd say even Yelp is really good. And I'll tell you why Yelp. When I first started at this shop that I worked at a while ago, and I was trying to get booked out, and I didn't want there to be any time in between me starting and like me being booked out. I wanted to get clients quick, no matter what kind they were, because at that point I just wanted to get my reps in and keep going, right? So what I did is I made a Yelp page, right? For me specifically, not for the shop, me specifically. And then I did an ad on Yelp. So you can actually pay for an ad on Yelp. And what that does is if anyone in your area, your city, your state, or whatever, searches tattoos, you're gonna pop up as number one. No matter where you rank, it doesn't matter if you don't have any reviews yet or anything like that, because if you pay for the ad, you're gonna go up to number one. What that's gonna do is gonna drive a lot of people to you. You wouldn't think so, but watch how many emails you get just for that. Now, depending on what type of style of tattoos you want, if you're at the position where you want to do just black and gray and you're being all specific and you've gotten that far in your career, this is going to be a little tough because not everyone that's going to come from Yelp is going to want black and gray or just whatever you specifically want. You could advertise that and it might help. You're going to get a bunch of people hitting you up, but they're going to want all different types of stuff. So if you're looking just to fill your books up and get your reps in and stuff, Yelp ads are probably more potent than Instagram ads. If you're already established as an artist in a specific style like black and gray or something, what you need to do is you need to get some good content made. Maybe find a media guy or a videographer that could help you get some good edits together of your work, who you are and what you're about, right? And how you do your stuff. Then you could run an ad on Instagram for that. And I think that Instagram would only be beneficial for you in that sense if you've already established yourself in a way. Because you can't just be like an amateur artist just barely doing tattoos and stuff and do an Instagram ad and then expect everyone to come flocking to you. Maybe that'll help on Yelp a lot if you're at that point. But if you're more established, then you can get a good piece of content, run an ad on it on Instagram, and it'll probably be more potent that way. And do free tattoos and post those because that's going to get you more clients. You know what I mean? Keep tattooing, get your reps in. The clients will come.